Thanks for joining us. I'm Alan Van Zandt. We come on the air tonight as record high numbers of new coronavirus cases are being reported in Missouri. Months ago, we were concerned about 600 new cases in a day. Just last Saturday, there were more than 6,000 reported in a 24-hour period. And where most of the cases were once coming from Missouri's larger communities, the virus is now spread to all corners of the state. Smaller rural hospitals now running short of bed space. Here's KQ2's Kylie Thomas.
I don't want to, create false alarms with people, but we're at a point we are concerned about being so overwhelmed that we cannot provide the care we want for our patients.
Missouri's rural hospitals on the brink of capacity as number of COVID patients rise, and now they're speaking out.
We don't step up in rural America and be prepared to address this challenge and take the necessary precautions. I think we are really going to have a rampant outbreak in our communities.
Tuesday, CEO of Chillicothe's area hospital, Hedrick Medical Center, taking to Facebook, pleading with rural Missourians to take the virus serious heading into the winter, because if they don't and they get COVID, a bed might not be there waiting for them.
We can only care for so many, because at the end of the day, our facility is only so big, and that's where we do not want to get to that point for anybody's sake.
Rural hospitals often transfer critical patients to urban hospitals, but those larger hospitals reaching their tipping point.
If we are full and those metropolitan facilities are full, we are really in a stressful situation. And I know, again, healthcare professionals always rise to the occasion, but I don't think people can underestimate the crisis we could be in if we don't take steps to help prevent that, each one of us in our daily lives.
Those steps, socially distancing and wearing a mask.
It is definitely scientifically proven to be helpful, so we're working with our county health departments to get masking mandates in place.
Schreiber hopes by speaking to the community directly, they'll back them up and wear a mask.
We really are in this together, and I think, to me, that's one of the things I love about rural America is the focus of community and that being neighbors and all being in it together, and I think this is an opportunity to show that.
Reporting in St. Joseph, Kylie Thomas, KQ2 News.
As of the last update on Tuesday, Livingston County with 655 total cases since the start of the pandemic, 70 current active cases, 15 hospitalizations. The county has seen 17 deaths.